Hey, welcome back. I guess this is barn renovation video 17 now. I'll have to double check that. But anyway, today we're going to be putting in this right there from that notch over to that post over there. Be putting in that brace that I made, the 16-foot 3x6 now. We're going to just make some dados with a circular saw and then get the thing popped in there and put a couple of high-strength construction screws to hold it in place, and we'll start building up the front. Okay, so I've cut a dado on this end to sink this this beam all the way in on that right side that just had a little notch before. And what I did is I went ahead and put in that new base plate over here so I get a proper measurement from the base plate to the bottom of the dado. And I measured the same distance from this base plate over here up to a line that I drew around here. And what I did is I put a screw in right there at the line so I could rest the other end of this beam on it, just to make sure, for one, that it looked level, because you never know, that it looked level going across here. And it does look level, of course. And then I put a level on it, and it is perfectly level. Let me grab that level so you can see. First try, and it's perfectly level. I just need to cut that dado properly on the other side and see. But let's put this level here in the bottom of this. Where's that thing at? There you go. Perfectly level sitting up here. So that's cool. Anyway, next steps for putting this thing away is I'm going to take this board down. I've got to cut it a little bit. If you look here, sorry, the camera's swinging around. I've got it flush on this side. And on this side, it's actually a little bit longer than 16 feet. It's like 16 and a half. So I will I'll mark this while it's up there and cut that extra off on the miter saw. And I'll take it down. And I'll get this dado cut on this end and sink it in. And then that's what will be what you see next. Okay, so I made a series of cuts for this dado. Like I've said before, my circular saw will only go 2 3/8 of an inch. So, and I've got to go 3. So I'll finish it up with a hand saw, those cuts, and then I'll take the chisel and I'll knock those out of there, and we should be able to put this beam in place. Well, I think we're going to wrap up this video today. Got the beam in all the way across for the overhead of the door. Time consuming with all the inletting with the chisel after all the dado cuts and stuff. But it's in there. It's sunk in nice and flush on both sides, and it's nice and level and all that jazz. Looks good in the thing there. So anyway, I don't know when we're going to work next, but at least it's a start in the right direction. I got to throw some floorboards in there so I can work up top. I don't feel like sitting there working on a ladder constantly, so I'll rebuild the structure in the front here and get some siding done. Like I said, these short walls here, it's about that base plate right there is 15 inches. So really, it's just I'll build that up underneath that beam on both sides so it can accommodate the weight of the doors, and get that all filled in with structure again, frame out the new loft doors, and get it sided up and build loft doors and build the big doors. And this project will be coming to a close, but it's going to take a while because the next couple of weekends are just hammered. So anyway, I appreciate y'all following along. Sorry these last two were kind of short, but it is what it is. Got kids here this week, got a lot of stuff going on. You can see the bikes here, and just I got a mess going on here I need to clean up before dinner. So anyway, as always, if you like it, what you see, subscribe, share with your friends, and all that jazz. And as always, keep getting after it.